How to recover your deleted Strava activities. Hey everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial video. If you're trying to recover any sort of deleted activities within your Strava, you will need to do this process through the web browser because you won't be able to recover any sort of deleted activities through the mobile app. So make sure you open up strava.com on a web browser, whether on a desktop or your mobile phone. Once you have been logged in, tap on the hamburger menu on the top right and then head over to My Activities. Once you're inside of My Activities, you can exactly see the section which says recently deleted. Now you need to make sure that only those activities that have been deleted within the last 30 days can be recovered. If the activities have been deleted and it has been more than 30 days, you won't be able to recover any sort of activities. So just head over to recently deleted and you can find all of your deleted activities from the last 30 days, and from this section you can recover all of them. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.